Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to OpenVPN GUI with credentials safely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate to OpenVPN GUI with credentials safely, start by downloading the OpenVPN GUI installer from the official website. Install the OpenVPN GUI on your machine by following the provided installation instructions. Launch the OpenVPN GUI application. Right-click on the OpenVPN GUI icon in the system tray. Select Import to import your OpenVPN configuration file. Choose the appropriate configuration file from your system and click Open. Now, right-click on the OpenVPN GUI icon again. Navigate to the configuration you just imported and select Edit Config. In the configuration file, locate the line that begins with Create a new file to store your username and password. Open the newly created file and enter your username on the first line. On the second line, enter your password. Save and close this file. Make sure this credentials file is secured by changing its file permissions. You can do this by right-clicking the file, selecting Properties, and adjusting the security settings accordingly. Return to the OpenVPN GUI, right-click the icon in the system tray, and select your configuration. Click Connect to initiate the VPN connection. When prompted, ensure that the credentials file path is correctly referenced in your configuration. The OpenVPN GUI will now authenticate using the credentials stored in your secured file. Once connected, verify that your internet traffic is now securely routed through the VPN. To disconnect, right-click the OpenVPN GUI icon and select Disconnect. You have now safely authenticated to OpenVPN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.